Hey, it's Mrs. Biffarella again. I'm here with our 3-6-3 next competitive stack. Let's remember the rules of the sport. You have to stack across the mat, which means you can't start in the middle. You can't stack 2 stacks at the same time, which means you have to finish the 3 before doing the 6, and the 3 at the other side is the last one to go up. Go back to the beginning to take everything down. So, good practice here. You notice how I'm going to leave this hand on the table. The last stack can come down with just one hand. It's faster. So following the rules, it says I have to use 2 going up. I cannot build this 3 at the same time I'm building the 6, and I have to build this one separate from the middle stack. Going down, the rules are a little bit different. So I'm going to use both hands to take down the first 6 stack, but as soon as I let go, I can start taking down my second stack, which is the real 6 stack. Coming down, I have to use 2 hands to take this 6 stack down. There's my 2 hands. The last one I can take down as I'm finishing. This hand would go to the timer, and this hand goes here. It's tricky, but you can do this, so just practice. 2 hands going up. Everything has to be built all by itself. No sharing. Sharing here, coming down there. It's fast. Now you can race a friend. You can do a 3-6-3. Remember, take turns saying go, and have a face-to-face race with the 3-6-3.